Hello viewers, welcome to Kirti's Kitchen, Kirti's channel. Today I am preparing how to cook red rice. See, I soaked red rice for 2 hours. Now I will cook. I took this glass, 1.5 glass. This 1.5 glass I took. For 1 glass, 1:3 ratio you have to put water, but you should take brass vessel like this. Brass vessel you take, then you put all soaked red rice, put in a bowl, brass vessel. See, I put the whole red rice into the brass vessel. Then I am adding water. For 1 glass of water, 1 glass of rice, I am adding 3 glass of water. I took 1.5 glass, that's why I am adding 4.5 glass water. Now I kept on the stove. First you put high flame. You cook for 10 minutes. See, I kept high flame. Don't put lid now. I will cook for 10 minutes red rice. After that I will put sim. See, my rice is cooking, red rice. Water should not be there until you have to cook. It should be. See, my red rice is cooking, boiling. Still water is there. You have to put high only. See the flame, high only. After 5 minutes it will be like this. Then after 10 minutes I will see. See, after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes it is like this. Still water is there. This water also has to be evaporate. Then I will put sim. After 5 minutes I will put sim. Here water is not there. Little is there. Now you put sim. See? Now you put sim. Then the lid. Now after 10 minutes we will see. After 10 minutes my rice is like this. It is cooked. See? It is too hot. It is cooked now. Switch off the flame. Then serve as usual. Red rice. It is good for health. We can enjoy this rice with as usual curries. Chicken curry, rasam, sambar, dal. 1:3 ratio. 1 glass red rice. If you took 1 glass of red rice, put 3 glasses of water. Soaked for 2 hours rice. After that you cook. See, my red rice is ready to eat. Enjoy this rice with curries. If you like, please subscribe and share.